Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about commodities and the agricultural markets. First, certainly a monumental evening and morning here with Britain leaving the EU. And just a brief comment, the glass is always half full. Britain's a great country and a great history, and longer term, this is going to be very, very good for them. And perhaps this will be a wake-up call for our U.S. politics and get that more on a great path of the USA in our political scheme here today. So the corn market, well, rain makes grain. We've had 3 days of selling that have overtook 1 month of buying. So you've done some technical damage here in the corn market. Take a look at this. And again, the thesis for this, the 6 to 10 day forecast, the 10 to 14 day forecast this morning are cooler and wetter than they were earlier in the week. So Tuesday we had a limit down move in corn. We haven't seen that in a long time, and there's certainly some liquidation in the air here, and the weather stays the way it is. It certainly can continue. Soybean market. Okay, so corn pollinates in July, soybeans pollinate in August. We get in here next week, we'll get closer and closer to that July weather and what it's like. 6 to 10 day forecast, 10 to 14 day forecast next week will bring us in the month of July. And right now it looks cooler, it looks wetter, and that's good for the corn crop and the soybean crop as well. So if the weather changes, the price of soybeans are going to change. Okay, exports on soybeans have been very, very good this time of the year. That's impressive. Let's hope that it can continue. Next Thursday is the crop report, June 30th. Stay tuned here with us. We'll be on here next Friday to talk about it a little bit. I wouldn't bet the farm on what's going to happen on this report next Thursday. Maybe we get 1.5 to 2 or 3 million more acres. But when markets go in on time, corn being planted on time this year, U.S. farmer typically gets all the corn planted that he wants to, and then the soybeans come from other areas like prevented planted that we have last year. So this will be a big report, and July weather will be really, really important. But exports on corn and soybeans continue really great here, and let's hope that continues for the U.S. farmer, the U.S. economy. Okay, Asia and China. China's appetite for U.S. soybeans unabated, and it's strong. Asia's population grew 3% last year. Okay, China's GDP last year was 6.7. It's supposed to be 6.2 this year. People, that's poppycock. China's growing, and whether it's growing 4%, 6%, 10%, we really don't know. But this is China's century, and their markets are more like ours now, and there's going to be recessions going forward, ups and downs, but China's economy is growing, and that's a positive for U.S. grain. So everybody have an excellent weekend. Again, stay tuned. We'll be on here next Friday. Really big report next week, and then we get into July, and that's really important weather for the corn market. Thank you.